Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Netfox is a Canadian internet service provider that offers a range of internet plans, including DSL, cable, and fiber. They are committed to providing high-speed internet access to customers across Canada, with a focus on delivering reliable and affordable service. Whether you're a casual internet user or a hardcore gamer, Netfox aims to have a plan that fits your needs and budget. Their website, located at www.netfox.ca, provides detailed information about their various packages, including download and upload speeds, data allowances, and pricing. Potential customers can use the website to check availability in their area, compare different plans, and even sign up for service online. Netfox emphasizes customer support and offers multiple ways to get in touch with their team, including phone, email, and online chat. They strive to provide timely and helpful assistance to address any questions or concerns their customers may have. Beyond just providing internet access, Netfox also offers additional services like bundled TV packages and home phone options, allowing customers to consolidate their services with a single provider. For those interested in learning more or exploring their options, visiting www.netfox.ca is the best place to start. The website features a comprehensive FAQ section that answers many common questions about their services, billing, and technical support. Netfox is a growing telecommunications company dedicated to expanding access to high-speed internet throughout Canada. They are constantly working to improve their network infrastructure and service offerings to ensure customers receive a top-quality internet experience. With their focus on customer satisfaction and competitive pricing, Netfox presents a compelling option for anyone in search of a reliable internet provider. They encourage potential subscribers to explore their website and contact their customer service team to discuss which plan best suits their individual requirements. They are confident that they can provide a service that meets the needs of even the most demanding internet users. So, if you're in Canada and looking for a new internet provider, be sure to check out Netfox at www.netfox.ca.